what's going on Facebook and Discord world? We have a 2 mega box break of Mosaic basketball. I'll go ahead and randomize the teams. Your list name is there from 1 to 10, actually 1 to 30, and then the teams will pop up right next to you here shortly. Todd, what's up? Manny, what's up? So let's go on and randomize the teams. Let's see what you get. Here we go. So we'll do a dice roller, and because it's cross posted in the Facebook group, we use 3 dice, so that's what we'll use. Roll the dice. We'll go 5 times on the randomizer. Teams are listed from the Atlanta Hawks all the way down to the Wizards. 5 times. Good luck. Number 1, you got Rockets on top, Hornets on the bottom. 2, 3, 4. Last time. Good luck. 5. You got Hornets at the top, Blazers at the bottom. Big teams. Memphis 15 and Pelicans 27. Let me drag these teams over. And there are your teams next to your names. Everybody good? Everybody good? See your teams? All right, let's get it rolling. I'm trying to see if it's easy to see. Yeah, I think you can see it. So remember, if you have the one spot, you have 1, 11, and 21. So David, you have the Hornets, the Nuggets, and the Wizards, which are right there side by side. Appreciate everybody joining. Thanks a lot. I am recording this for YouTube, so you will have something to go back and watch it on. All right, let's get to it. Mega box number 1. 2019-2020 Mosaic basketball. Easy to see? Okay, perfect. Perfect. I can only see it on my side, but I'm not sure if you guys see it the same exact way and what kind of device. If you're on the phone, I look at it on my phone to see, the smallest possible thing, but good. Good luck. We'll pull some monsters. Donovan Mitchell, John Collins, and Bam Adebayo for your base. Your first blue reactive is Gary Harris for the Nuggets. Oh, that's sweet. You got a silver Jimmy Butler for the Heat. Very nice card. I'm a Heat fan, so very nice card. Robert's a Heat fan. Kevin Porter Jr. Rookie. Hall of Fame Larry Bird and Keldon Johnson, base rookie. I'm going to put this camera down a little bit. There we go. That's how it should be. Pack number 2. Kevin Durant, base. Darren Fox, George Hill, and Hall of Fame Blue Reactive Kareem Abdul-Jabbar for the Lakers. And that's Julio with the Lake Show. Got game of Kawhi Leonard, Hall of Fame Dominique Wilkins. Oh, that's a nice Zion base. And NBA debut of Darius Garland. First Zion base. Second pack in. And the Pelicans are Julio, spot 27. Julio has a good spot there. It's nice to see 2 packs in. Hopefully we get some bigger cards. Maybe one of numbered pink fluorescent. Lou Williams, Trey Young, Ennis Cantor. Blue reactive of Joe Harris for the Nets. Old school Moses Malone. Bruno Fernando, base rookie. Patrick Ewing and Kobe White, rookie. That's nice. All right, let's see what we get here. Steph Curry base. Luke Kennard. Pandemic P. Oh, that's sweet. Blue reactive NBA debut Kobe White for the Bulls. Very nice card there. And the Bulls belong to Manny. And right after that, we have Dorian Finney-Smith for the Mavericks. Prism Mosaic. NBA debut Brandon Clark. Ignis rookie. And Hall of Fame Patrick Ewing. Couple Knicks in that pack. Next pack. Dylan Brooks. Kevin Herter. Oh, this is a short pack. That's weird. Thaddeus Young. Marvin Bagley. Blue Reactive. And Will to Win of Ben Simmons. And that was a short pack. That was weird. Maybe that means Monster in the next one. Can't have them all. Rudy Gay. Karl Anthony Towns. Rajon Rondo base. Blue Reactive Robert Covington for the Wolves. Jam Masters Tracy McGrady. MVP Steph Curry base. Sekou base. And NBA debut of DeAndre Hunter. Well, we need some more heat. Got Julius Randle, LaMarcus Aldridge, and Isaiah Thomas for your base. Kevin Love, Blue Reactive for the Cavs. Give and Go, Bradley Beal for the Wizards. NBA debut, RJ Barrett. And Terrence Davis, base. And Charles Barkley, USA insert. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Daniel House Jr., Malik Monk, Blue Reactive rookie of Admiral Schofield for the Wizards. And then we have a silver Marcus Morris for the Knicks. Rookie of Dylan Windler, Hall of Fame Shaq, and Nicholas Claxton, base rookie. Let me get some of those base situated there. Next pack. This is pack number 9 of 10 of box 1. Danny Green base. Eric Bledsoe. Kenrich Williams. Oh, look at that. NBA debut, Blue Reactive Ja Morant for the Grizzlies. Spot 15, Mark Bocanegra. Very nice card. Ja Morant, Blue Reactive. Congrats, bud. Really nice. Got game Karl Anthony Towns. Jackson Hayes, rookie. MVP James Harden. And Romeo Langford, base rookie. Solid box with the Zion base and that Ja. Not bad. Laurie McCarnan. Hassan Whiteside. Josh Richardson. Blue Reactive Patrick Beverly for the Clippers. And a Prism Pandemic P Paul George for the Clippers. I'll give him heck until he comes back and does something. NBA debut Rui Hachimura. Nickeil Alexander Walker and Karl Malone to finish the box. Move some of these base over. Make a little room. Actually, I'll put them right here. All right, box number 2. Good luck. There it is. This last spot. Get some. Get something. Draymond Green, Derek Favors, Clint Capella, and your first blue reactive is Oscar Robertson. Oscar Robertson. Then you have a Prism Hall of Fame of Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, old school, back to back. To back, Wilt Chamberlain MVPs, Darius Garland rookie, and Taco Fall NBA debut. Dwight Powell, Joe Harris, Gordon Hayward, Jabari Parker. I have my lighting on. Jabari Parker for the Hawks. Then we have a Russell Westbrook Jam Masters Prism. Very nice for the Rockets. Cam Reddish, rookie. Jordan Poole NBA debut and Goga base rookie. Dwight Howard, Derek White, Nicholas Batum, blue reactive Marvin Bagley for the Kings. Larry Bird, old school. Tyler Hero base rookie. It's my dude. That's my dude. Scottie Pippen and Kendrick Nunn rookie. Couple Heat in that pack. And the Heat go out to Manny. Patrick Beverly, Thomas Bryant, and Furkan Korkmaz. Blue reactive Thomas Bryant for the Wizards. AD will to win. The Lakers. Dwayne Wade, U.S. insert. Eric Pashaw and Hall of Fame Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to finish that pack. 6 packs left. Looking for some pink fluorescent numbering. Andrew Wiggins, Goran Dragic, DeMar DeRozan, another blue reactive Kevin Love for the Cavs, Julius Erving, Jam Masters, Wilt Chamberlain, Bobo base rookie, and an NBA debut of Tyler Hero. Bobo for the Nuggets. The Bobo hype train left, but a lot of people are still on it. They still say he could he has all the right things, he can blow up. Deontay Murray, Jabari Parker, Kevin Love, blue reactive rookie of Terrence Mann for the Clippers. This card is sweet. That one's even sweeter because he matches with it. Luca, give and go. Going out to the Mavericks. That's Robert. Admiral Schofield, another Kobe White debut, and Terrence Mann base rookie. So 4 left. Raquan Holmes for the Kings. Zach LaVine and Jamal Murray. Kyle Guy, blue reactive rookie. Will to win of Donovan Mitchell. RJ Barrett, rookie. Magic Johnson. And how about a base Ja Morant for the Grizzlies? Just so you can get an idea. I will put that in the top loader, of course, but really, really bent, but usually that's okay. Ja Morant base for the Grizzlies. Not a bad couple box. Get a Zion base, Ja debut, blue reactive. And we're not done. Devontae Graham, Wesley Matthews, Davis Bertans, Devontae Graham, blue reactive for the Hornets. Got game, Kemba Walker, Hall of Fame, Oscar Robertson, Kyle Guy, and another Ja Morant. This is a plain NBA debut base. Very nice break for the Grizzlies. Zach Collins, Buddy Hield, Josh Hart, blue reactive Markeith Morris going out to the Pistons. Got game of James Harden, NBA debut RJ Barrett, Terrence Davis, and Charles Barkley. Last pack. Last pack. Last pack. Marvin Bagley, Markeith Morris, Daniel Theus, blue reactive of Furcon. Got one silver. Let's make it a good one. Oh, that's not bad. Silver NBA debut RJ Barrett going out to the Knicks. And that's Julio. Julio killing the break with the 7 spot. RJ Barrett silver NBA debut. Very nice. Cody Martin rookie. Vince Carter and Jarrett Culver to finish the break. Hey, I appreciate everybody joining. Thanks a lot. From the other side of the world, thanks for staying up and watching. That's pretty cool. And if you first time you broke with me, shoot me your address and a message as soon as you can, and I get this out to you. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace.